friends, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I'm excited to be sharing 10 sewing patterns that I'm obsessed with right now and can't stop making or wanting to make or thinking about, and I just love all of them. So I wanted to share them with you because who doesn't love a good pattern and need more inspiration in their lives? I love inspiration. So let's get started with number one. This one, I don't know how many times I've actually made it, but I've made it at least probably 8 times. It is the Cotslow swimsuit pattern by Megan Nelson Designs. I am obsessed with this swimsuit pattern. I have made different variations of it. I've tweaked it to add a little different design to it. But I love sewing swimsuits, and every summer that is the one I gravitate towards because I can do what I want with it. It fits so good, and the pattern is amazing. Mwah, chef's kiss. There's a 2-piece and 1-piece, so it's great for beginners. But then if you want to like juice it up, however you say that, whatever you say that, you can. And it's a great pattern to do stuff like add more to it or add a design to it. It's amazing. I love it. So if you're looking for a good swimsuit pattern, that is my number one recommendation. And every year, like I'm making it every year for the past probably 10 years. I don't even know. When did it come out? But I love it, if you can't tell. Okay, number 2, I have a video on this. It is a free pattern, which makes it even better, but it's the Helen's Closet Luna Tank. This is perfect for summer. So loose, so nice and flowy. Helen's Closet makes the best patterns. Amazing. This is free, even better. And it is so nice. So highly recommend this one as well. I've wanted to make it multiple times. I've made it twice so far, but there's more in the works. And another bonus, it's nice and quick and easy to make as well. So number 3, I've been working on this pattern for a few months. It's a quilt pattern. It is the Booknook Quilt from Pen and Paper Designs. I love her pattern. She's a great quilt pattern designer and just beautiful quilt patterns. And I've wanted to make this quilt for so long. So I finally just started doing it. Obviously, summer got in the way and it hasn't happened as quickly as I want it, but it's so good and so cute. I'm actually going to be sad when it's over. So who knows? Maybe I'll make this one again too, which is rare for me in quilt patterns, but I love it so much. It's so good. And like I said, her quilt patterns are amazing. Number 4, I am recently making, but I have seen so many good versions of it, and it's also a free or pay what you can pattern. It's from Friday Pattern Co, and it is the sports shorts. Super cute for summer, great fit. They always make really good fitting and well done patterns. So highly recommend theirs as well. And again, another great free pattern. This is awesome. We love free patterns. So, and another good summer option. So number 5, you've probably heard me talk about this one because it's my own pattern. Jelly roll baskets. I will never stop loving these and making them. I have them all over my house. I have them for different seasons. Like I have Easter basket ones, but then I also have them just randomly in random colors. And as plant covers, I just put the pot in here and it's so cute. You can make the small version or the large version. So I'm obsessed. I think my next one is going to be a Halloween trick-or-treating basket. So cute. So love that pattern. I think I'm always obsessed with it. It's the jelly roll basket pattern. And again, I'll put links down below for all of these and make sure you go and check them out. Okay, number 6, this McCalls pattern. This is McCalls 7948. I have made this dress 3-4 times and I still am obsessed with it. I'll probably make it again. I just love it. It's so flowy and cute. It's great on anybody. Great style. and just a good tiered dress, which I feel like is very in right now. So that's probably why I love it so much. But it's View D that I've made a bunch. Yeah. I have shortened the sleeves though, but it's one of my favorites that I have made over and over. And that is sometimes rare for me to make a pattern over and over again. So when I do, you know, it's a good one. That's how I know it's a good one. Okay, next one is number 7, and this one's from Love Notions. This is a great pattern company as well. They have wonderful women's, men's, and children's patterns. But this one is the Timber Peasant top and dress. I was able to test this pattern and I've made it 3 times now, and it's just a really great top. You can add some like gathering on the sleeve and on the neckline, make it more unique, or you could just keep it basic, have a little flutter sleeve, whatever, but it's a great basic top. I actually have more that I want to make because I love it so much, and it's just easy to throw on, comfortable, looks good on everyone, great for every day, but also could be dressed up. So it's one of those shirt patterns that I'm going to always come back to because it's well done, it's an easy make, and comfortable. So love all those things. Okay, number 8 is this amazing book. So the wonderful world of paper pieced quilt blocks. I have been using this a ton in making my quilt blocks for the Midnight Garden quilting sewing bee that I'm in, and making them for other people, making them for myself, but just has so many good flowers. And I'm wondering if she has, there's also birds and some animals, bugs. I was gonna try and show you a picture of like overall, if I can find it. But this is such a great book, has so many patterns in it, and is totally worth the price. So here's, oh, as I drop him, here's some of them. So just so many cute ones. If you don't know how to foundation paper piece, this is also a good book to get started with. She has great tips, tricks, and even amazing YouTube videos on it as well. So I highly recommend checking out Liza Taylor and this book and her patterns. She has just the cutest foundation paper piecing patterns. I love them. So cute. Okay, number, I think we're on 9. Wow, we're going quickly. Is the All the Things Tote. I will always be obsessed with this bag, and I've made it 3 times so far. I would love to make it again. It's so cute. I have a pieced one, and then this one is just like the full cloth one. But it's so handy for everything. I take it sewing retreats, just storing stuff around my house, taking stuff out, going to church, anything that I need to carry a bunch of stuff. It literally just like carries all the things, and I love it. And it has these side pockets. So this is by Knot and Thread Designs. She has wonderful bag patterns and absolutely love them. Also, just go check out all the inspiration of people that have made this pattern. It's amazing, and so many great ideas. People are so creative, and it makes me want to make like 10 more of them. Do I need 10 more tote bags? Probably not, but I want to make them because they're so fun and so cute. So, and people have added like pockets and little fussy cutting spots on it, so it's just darling and fun. One of those fun patterns that you can like add to and dress up all that you want. Okay, number 10. This is a sneak peek at my own pattern coming out hopefully the beginning of September. So this is a big sneak peek. I have it in testing right now, and I'm finishing up my own version right now as well. So I made one, but this is called the Muse Quilt. It's a 70 by 70 inch quilt. Has all these fun stars, checkered, and I love it. I've been working on this pattern for a couple years. I keep like stopping and getting distracted by other things and then not working on it. And I finally was like, I just need to do it and get it done and get it out there. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be really fun and super cute. So I've been making this. I made one sample and then I'm working on my second sample right now that's in these colors, and I just am obsessed with these colors, especially for fall. So that's why I was like, this is kind of perfect for a September release. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited about it, and I think it's gonna be so fun. The first one that I made was more of like a scrappy version, and it was slightly different and didn't have this right here, this like triangle right here, but everything else was the same. So I'll probably show pictures of that right here as well, but it's exciting. I'm excited to have my first quilt pattern out in the world and hopefully come out with some more. I have some more ideas for you guys, and excited to share those patterns with you. So hopefully you got a little inspiration from this video and got to see a little bit about what I have been loving lately and what I've been sewing. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe for more sewing tutorials, tips, tricks, and all things sewing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.